Hi there, I'm Jacqueline from Homeworks Etc. I am showcasing some of our Christmas DIY projects for this upcoming holiday, and I'm loving this cute little project of 2 wooden tags. You can use them how you wish. Now in our DIY kits, it comes with 2 stencils, 2 wood tags, all the brushes, the paint, instructions that you need, and this is perfect for gifting or hanging on your tree, adding as a decoration in your home. What we're actually really enjoying about this kit is that you can add on a wreath, a truck, and we'll box it and gift it. So it's a great gift giving idea for Christmas as well. So if you know someone who loves to craft, or you would love to take time out to make some decor this holiday season, please check out our website, and you can click on the link below at homeworksetc.ca.